Kwikset presents how to set or reset the code on your TSA travel lock. Applicable to SKUs 90260-720, 90260-723, 90260-726, and 90260-729. First, set the factory combination 000 and press down the button. The lock will now open. Use a pointed tool to press and hold the number adjusting rod at the bottom of the lock. While holding the rod, turn the dials to set your new 3-digit combination. Release the number adjusting rod. Your new combination is now set. The reset operation is now complete. You can repeat this process anytime you want to change your combination. Kwikset, security made convenient.